Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video, we are going to talk about polynomials. What are all the types of polynomials, degree of polynomials, zero of a polynomials. It's for 9th standard and part 1 video. Let us start. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is a expression consisting of variables and coefficients combined through addition, subtraction, multiplication and exponentiation. It may have one or more variables in descending order of power. Here we are going to see only single variable of a polynomial. Now in previous session we discussed how we differ the polynomial. We differ the polynomial by terms. If the polynomial is having single term, we called it as a monomial. If it polynomial is having two terms, x square minus x, we called as a binomial. If it had three terms, we called as a trinomial polynomial. If it is having more than three terms, we called as a polynomial, right? Here what they are saying, a polynomial will have some power, right? And also that power, the polynomial may be written in the descending order. How x cubed minus x square minus 3x plus 6. So the powers are, we will call it as a power of the polynomial. That is x. The variable's power is called the power of the polynomial. Here x to the power of 3, x square minus 3x plus 6. Okay, this is the polynomial. Now, how we will call the polynomial by the power? So here the power is 3, the maximum power of the variable, right? X cubed minus x squared minus 3x plus 6. So this is called a third degree polynomial. Third degree polynomial. Okay. So it can be written like this also. Cubic polynomial. The power is 3, so we are calling it as a cubic polynomial. What about this? X square minus 2x plus 1. Here the power of the variable x is 2. It is second degree or second degree polynomial. Okay. Or we can call it as a quadratic polynomial. If the power of the polynomial is 2, we can call it as a quadratic polynomial. What about this? X minus 6. Here the power of the variable x is 1. So we can call it as a first degree polynomial, or we can call it as a linear polynomial. Clear? If the power of the variable x is 1, we will call it as a linear. If the power is 2, we will call it as a quadratic polynomial. If the power is 3, we will call it as a cubic polynomial. In previous session, we referred by terms as monomial, binomial, trinomial, right? Here, the by degree, the power we can call it as a degree or power of the polynomial. So if the power says the degree of the polynomial. Suppose if you are having a question, write a 15th degree of binomial polynomial. Your question is like this: binomial polynomial. How we will write? 15th degree of binomial polynomial we have to write. So binomial means it should have only two terms, but the degree should be 15th. So we have to say, first you have to write x to the power of 15 minus x to the power of 6 or 7, whatever the power you want to write, you can write. But the term should be only 2 because they have given very clearly binomial. So this is the example for 15th degree of binomial polynomial. Suppose if they are asking 30th degree means 30th degree of trinomial. So how you will write? X to the power of 30 minus x cube plus 2. So this is the example of 38th degree of trinomial polynomial. Clear? Let us go to the next. Here, degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Suppose 5. We are taking 5 as a polynomial, right? Single term 5. This 5 also we can call it as a polynomial, monomial, right? But what will be the power of the polynomial here? The power of 5 is 0. Then only we will get 5 naught is equal to 5 to the power 0 is equal to 5. So any constant, the power is 0. Then only it will be called as a constant. So that's only they are mentioning a degree of non-zero constant. Non-zero constant means it is a constant, not a 0. The power is 0. So degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. 0 polynomial is not defined so far. Every real number is a 0 of the real polynomial. Every real number is the 0 of the 0 polynomial. Now we have to find the value of a polynomial by substitution method. Suppose here you are having one polynomial 3x squared minus 5x plus 12 at x is equal to 2. If it is a question like that, what you have to do? You have to find the value of the polynomial by substituting the value of x is equal to 2. What you will get? 3 in place of x we have to put 2 minus 5 in place of x we are putting 2 plus 12. So what you will get? 3 into 2 square means 3 into 4 minus 5 into 2 plus 12. So 3 4s are 12 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 plus 12. So what you will get? 12 plus 12, 24. 24 minus 10, you will get 14. Now 14 is the value of the polynomial 3x squared minus 5x plus 12 at x is equal to 2. Okay. Now what is 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial, any polynomial we can represent it as a p of x. Let us take the same polynomial 3. Let us take like this 3x minus 6. So if p of x is equal to 3x minus 6 is a polynomial. Now we have to find the 0 of the polynomial. How we will find the 0 of the polynomial? So the theorem says if p of x is equal to 0, then the value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. So first we have to make this p of x is equal to 0. If we are making this p of x is equal to 0, then the value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Understand? 0 of the polynomial. Let us see. So 3x minus 6 we have to equate to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 6 will go as plus 6, right? So x is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So if you substitute the value of x as 2 in this above equation, what you will get? 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Now you will get p of x is equal to, that means p of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Understand? If p of x is equal to 0, then the value of x is the 0 of the polynomial. Let us do some, we will understand little bit clear. So here write the type, coefficients and degree of the polynomial. Here what is the polynomial we are having? 3x square minus 3x cube minus 7x squared minus 9x plus 12, right? So here, what is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient of x cubed here 3. Coefficient of x square minus 7, right? Minus 7. Then coefficient of x minus 9. Clear? Similarly, what about this? Coefficient of x square 3. Coefficient of x 13 plus 13. Okay, then coefficient is written. What is the type? Here the power of the equation is what? What is the type of this? It is cubic. Cubic or third degree. Third degree polynomial or cubic polynomial, right? It is quadratic or second degree polynomial, right? 3x square plus 13x minus 7. The coefficient of x square is 3. Here coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x is 13, right? That's it. Then what is asking? Degree. Degree, what is the degree of this polynomial? 3. Here what is the degree of the polynomial? 2. The degree is 3 here. Here the degree is 2. Okay? Or we can call it as a quadratic or cubic polynomial. Find the value of 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to minus 1. Now, we have to find the value of 5x square, 5x cubed, 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So now we have to substitute the value of x in the polynomial. 5 into minus 1, right, is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. Okay. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square you will get plus 1. So minus 4 into plus 1 you will get minus 4. What about this constant? It will come as it is. So what you will get? Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 you will get minus 6. So minus 6 is the value of 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x is equal to minus 1. Understand? Now find the 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. So 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. What I told you, polynomial can be written like this, na? P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. If you want to say, or if you want to find the 0 of the polynomial, what you have to do? P of x should be equal to 0. Then only we can say there will be a 0 of a polynomial. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x, what you will get? X is equal to minus 1 by 3, right? Minus 1 by 3. This 1 will go there, then 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. So if you substitute P of minus 1 by 3 in this given polynomial, 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1, right? So 3 into minus 1 by 3 you will get minus 1 plus 1, you will get 0. So P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to, you are getting the 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Understand? That's it. Let us do more sums, more problems in the next session. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.